Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start your face care routine on a budget. I know so many of you see all these skincare videos being popped out on TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube. When you do the calculation, you ask yourself, where will you get this kind of money to start? So your spirit goes down, you feel like, I cannot do this because the money is too much. You see only vitamin C serum of 12,000, face wash of 10,000, face cream of 15. So after doing this calculation, you arrive at 50k. How many of us are earning that much in Nigeria today? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can start your face care routine on a budget, 10 to 12k below. So just sit tight and watch till the end. My name is Choma. If you like this type of beauty content, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos. So without wasting much of your time, let us quickly jump into the topic of today, which is how to start your face care routine on a budget. The first thing you will need is a face wash. This is a Vit Gold face wash. It is sold for 2k or 2.5. They have different varieties. This one here is rice and milk. Hope you can see it very well. It's rice and milk. They have turmeric and other varieties of this particular face wash. This is 2k. You get a face wash. So after face wash, the next thing you will need is a face cleanser. This one is also 2,000, 2,000. It's also a Vit Gold product. They have different varieties also. They have cucumber, turmeric. This one is turmeric. They have cucumber, they have tomatoes and other varieties. So you get yourself face cleanser, which is the second step on your face care routine. After washing, you cleanse with a face cleanser. These two products here is 4k. I told you earlier that everything will be pegged at 10k or 12k. So after washing and cleansing, the third thing you will need in your face care routine is vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is very good in fighting dark patches and hyperpigmentation. So you get yourself a vitamin C. This is Dr. Rachel's vitamin C serum. I bought this for 2,500. You can get it in your area. I live in Abuja, Nigeria. I don't know, it might be costly here. You can get it as my sister in Aba is buying it for 2,000 naira. So you see the difference. I buy it 2,500. That's why I'm saying everything will be pegged at either 12,000 or 10,000. So the third thing is you get yourself a vitamin C serum. This one will do the job for you. So if you have more money, you can get yourself a balanced vitamin C serum. They sell it for 6k. It's also very good. The thing in skincare routine that nobody is telling you about is consistency. It's not the price or amount you spend in buying this product that matters. The thing that matters in skincare routine is consistency. Are you doing it often? Are you doing it always? Let's assume you buy all these products in a package worth 50,000 or 100,000 and you apply it once or twice a week. You are not going to get the desired result. So the thing is being consistent with these products, not the price. So if for you to start somewhere, skincare is like exercise. If you go to the gym today and do one press up, nobody will see it. But with this affordable routine that I'm showing you today, you build your skincare journey and be consistent with it. You will get a result. I use it. That's why you see me holding them. I did not go and buy them separately for this video. No, I use this product I'm showing you now. It's what I use. So look at my face. Is it not beautiful? It's beautiful. When I can afford more expenses, I go for higher ones. For now, I make use of what I want. That is why I'm doing this video for people that always come to me and ask me, Choma, your face is so bright. What and what can I use? When I give them this list, it might be like, it's not what I'm using, it's what I'm using. So back to the topic, the third thing is vitamin C serum. You apply your vitamin C serum. The fourth thing you will need is a face cream. This is also Dr. Rachel's face cream. I bought it 2,500. This face cream contains hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes your face. When you apply this, you will see that it must deeply moisturize your face and improve fine lines and dull skin. So, and the other secret I want to share with you watching this video is you can use 2 face creams. I recently incorporated this one glutathione face cream to my face care routine. This one I use it at night. I don't use it during the day. This one is more harsh than this. So what I do is I use this in my morning skincare routine. I use this at night. I bought this 1,200, while this one is 2,500. After you must have applied your face cream, you go for sunscreen. This is also Dr. Rachel's sunscreen. It is being sold for 2,500. I would like you to sit with me for just a few minutes. Let's calculate these things that I showed you to tell you that it did not pass 10k or 12k. This is 2,500. This is 2,000. This is 4,500. This is 1,200. This is 5,700. This is 2,500. This is 10,000 plus. Then this is 12,000 plus. So all these things did not pass 12,000 to 10,000, depending on how you want to go about it. You can decide to go with only one face cream. You can decide to go with only one of this and start. So the purpose of this video is just to motivate you to just start your face care routine, because the more you age, the more the collagen on your face begin to break down. And when you don't clean up dead skins, apply acid like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C serum to maintain your face, you begin to age quicker. So I will advise you to start from what you can afford. Don't do past yourself. Don't overdo it. Just be consistent. Don't apply today and leave tomorrow. You will not get the desired result. So don't think you can break a bank to start your skincare routine. So remember to also watch this video on how to start your skincare routine on a budget. Thank you for watching. See you.